several other bachelors come to ask if I need help.
I bet. We are in one of the greatest Mustangs to ever exist, the Fox Body. 5-liter, 5-speed. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this. Even Nelly said that. Let me figure out where I can mount this thing at and talk to you guys. This might not be the best, but it'll do, right? All right. This is a classic. I mean, this is an old car, so it does old car things, but man. What an awesome car. Like, that V8 sound is what everybody wants to hear coming down their road, I feel like, everybody. If you don't like the sound of this car, you can choke on a... So, I've driven like F-150s, like 99 F-150 square body, same engine, 5-liter, same steering wheel. So when I got in this, I was like, man, this thing's gonna be like a truck, you know? Like, it sounds like a truck, feels like a truck. The interior reminds me of my friend Ben's. I think it was a 99 F-150. And I really been thrown away by like the handling of the car itself, because it's nowhere near a truck. This car is actually very nimble. Oh. All right. Back to what we were doing, raising hell and praising Dale. It's got so much torque. So I'm sorry if the sound itself doesn't come through very well. It's super windy out today. Other than it being windy, it's a fantastic day, and we're trying to make do with what we have, right? So I believe this is, it's a family member's car, so it's been kind of being passed down through the generations, which is fantastic, because eventually these cars are just going to be non-existent. Most of them are all drag cars already. This is like a prime example of perfect car for anybody looking for a project like a back road ripper, or like, you couldn't get it better than this. Man, that V8 just, I don't know why it sounds so good. I don't think there's any other Mustang that I want to be in, to tell you the truth. Like, you don't see the 70s or like the 60s anymore. They're all parked in a garage somewhere. Whereas like this car, you can still get out and drive it.
I'm filming him.
Pardon?
I'm filming him.
Steering input is not, I mean, it's old. It's not like the greatest, but it's not bad. Like, feedback in the steering wheel is not very good. Like, it feels like a truck kind of in the feedback in the steering wheel. I don't know if that's just worn out suspension components, or, you know, I'm sure you can tighten these things up to make them really good. There's a huge aftermarket industry for these things. It takes a lot of effort in the steering itself to get the car to kind of turn in. The turn in's pretty good. Seat feel is fantastic. Like, you can feel everything this thing's doing, which is nice. And the seat, like, I don't know if it's honestly, like, you really have to rev the piss out of it and dump the clutch to get it to spin tires. It's not fast at all by any means. I think it's probably like 270 horsepower or more than a Miata probably. But it is an absolute joy to drive. I'll tell you that right now. Like, it's right there where, like, it handles just good enough to be fun. And if it handled any worse, it'd be scary.
Over to my massage.
Yeah.
Yeah, you. Yeah. Oh, you better hurry up.
Right?
Let me know.
Yep. So this thing hasn't been driven in a while, and you can kind of tell it's got some bad fuel in it. It spits and sputters every once in a while, so I am going to try to find an open fuel pump. Okay, let's put some good gas in this thing. I don't think Kroger's got the best fuel, but oh, I don't even have a card. My wallet's in the bike that's sitting at Tony's shop right now. I don't have a wallet. Okay. Oh, you're already checking out? Nice. Okay. Bye. Man, what an adventure. It just stalled out on me. So let's see if I can. It's doing the same thing. All right, full tank. Phew. It was spitting and sputtering on me earlier, but it hasn't been driven in a while, so I'm sure it's got a bunch of like crap just sitting at the bottom of the tank. It probably wouldn't hurt to change the fuel filter on it.
No.
So we opened up that back hatch yesterday to put the back wheel of the BMW in it, and it had like the giant wasp nest. And
Oh, is it about to die right now? It sounds like. Where are you going?
every time you start this thing, gives you a little bump of testosterone. If I can just keep this puppy running, run some good fuel through it, we might be all right. You know, I mean, it runs pretty solid when it is running. So I wonder if that's been behind me. See, like right now it's running fine, it's idling fine. It's like there's just little hiccups or like air in the line every once in a while. The last time it died on me, you could kind of hear air coming out by like the fuel injectors. I don't know if it was the fuel injectors. I don't have anything to like kind of listen to it to like pinpoint where the sound is coming from. So the reason I think it was fuel injectors is the car was off, key was still on, which means the pump is priming. So that kind of tells me that it's trying to pump fuel up to it, but it definitely sounded like air. No gasoline smells, nothing like out of the ordinary. I don't know. I pulled the intake off, the maps and the throttle body look pretty clean. Right there, kind of went from a high idle. It went from 1,000 RPMs to like 700. Honestly, I love the red interior. Red interior is so rare. It's crazy to me that it's got a truck steering wheel. Like, this is the same steering wheel that was in my friend's truck. It's at 1,000 right now. Hey, there went one of them trucks right there. Right about 1,900 RPMs. That clutch pedal is something else though. I don't know if this is cable clutch. I'm assuming it is. It's stiff. It is smooth though. It's pretty predictable. There's only been a few times in like first gear that I've had it kind of buck on me. But other than that, it's been fantastic. Haven't even touched it yet. That's crazy. Alright, the drive shaft is fixed in the Mustang. We got new windshield wipers, but it does not touch in the middle. I don't know. I'm not sure what's going on there. I don't know if the arm's strong enough to push the new windshield wiper on the window. That might be a problem. This thing sounds a ton better. On the D-cell, you could hear it and feel it. You could hear it and feel it rattling the hell out of your hand and the shifter and everything. I mean, there was the 4 bolts in the rear end were like hand tight. I backed all of them out with my hand. So there's that. I mean, it's sat in a barn or something for a while. It's got a bunch of dirt caked up underneath of it. That's it for this video. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one.